ThousandEyes tags give you a simple, consistent way to add context to your tests, agents, and dashboards. The platform uses a flexible tagging system to help you organize, filter, and manage your assets. By using key value pairs like environment, production, or region EMEA, you can easily group related resources and filter your dashboards and alert rules. They also standardize your metadata, making it seamless to connect with third-party ITSM and APM tools like ServiceNow and Splunk AppDynamics. Just keep in mind that tags are tied to specific asset types. Because of this, a tag made for a test can't be applied to an agent, or the other way around. To follow along, you'll need an account with permission to view and edit tags. We'll tour the tags workspace, create a new tag, assign it to assets, and use it to filter a dashboard. In ThousandEyes, navigate to Manage, then Tags. This centralized workspace holds every tag in your account group, regardless of the product area it applies to. The tags list shows the icon, the tag key, the tag value, and the tag type. Tags can be static, meaning they are assigned manually, or dynamic, meaning they are rule-based and apply only to endpoint experience agents. The product area column tells you where the tag is used, for example, with network and app synthetics tests, endpoint experience tests, or dashboards. The description column provides optional context, and date modified lets you sort by recent changes. ThousandEyes also ships with a set of built-in tags such as Cloud, Enterprise, IPv4 compatible, and mobile. You can use them anywhere a tag is accepted, but built-in tags can't be deleted. Your choice of keys and values depends on the asset type. Agents are often tagged by site or location, such as Site, London. Tests are commonly tagged by the application being monitored, like App, Salesforce, or by the environment they cover, like Environment Production or Environment QA. Let's create an environment tag now. To create a new one, click Add Tag in the top right. In the key field, enter a primary identifier. We'll use environment. Keys can be up to 128 characters and accept alphanumerics, hyphens, and underscores. If you plan to stream tags using an OpenTelemetry integration, avoid spaces and other non-compliant characters, as non-compliant keys are excluded from streamed data. In the value field, enter the value paired with that key. We'll use production. The value is optional, but adding one unlocks the structured filtering that makes tags useful across dashboards, views, and alert rules. Under Select Shape, pick an icon. Then assign a color to make the tag easy to spot in lists later. Add a short description to help your team understand when to use the tag. For Select Tag Type, choose Static Tag. We'll cover the Dynamic Tag option in the next section. Under Assign Product Area to Tag, select the area where the tag will apply, for example, Network and App Synthetics tests. Click Save and Assign Items. The tag's created and a dialog opens for assigning items. You can hit Cancel for now. The new tag appears in the workspace with the icon and color you chose. Dynamic tags live in the same tags workspace and use the same Add Tag dialog. However, instead of being assigned manually, they're applied automatically to endpoint experience agents whenever an agent matches a rule you define. If an agent's state changes and it no longer matches, the tag's removed automatically. To create one, click Add Tag again. Fill in the key and value like connection, VPN. Then pick a shape, a color, and add a description. This time, under Select Tag Type, choose Dynamic Tag. The product area locks to endpoint experience agents. Click Create Rule to assign items and a rule builder appears. Dynamic tags only exist for endpoint agents. There's no rule-based assignment for tests or dashboards. Define the criteria that should trigger the tag. First, choose whether the tag applies when all conditions match or when any one of them does. This choice covers the entire rule. Then add the conditions themselves. You can match on attributes reported by the agent like location, hostname, or VPN, and combine as many as you need. The rule builder lists every available condition, so it's worth opening it up to see the full set. When the rule looks right, click Save. Back in the tags list, the new entry shows up with a tag type of dynamic and a short summary of the rule so you can tell at a glance how it's being applied. From this point on, ThousandEyes evaluates active endpoint agents continuously and keeps the tag assignments in sync. There are two ways to assign a tag. First, from the tags workspace, Click the three-dot menu next to your tag and select Manage Assigned Items. In the dialog that opens, select the tests, agents, or dashboards you want to associate with the tag, then click Save. Second, you can assign a tag while configuring an asset. Open a test configuration page and click the Add Tags field. Search for an existing tag or type the key and value separated by a colon, like environment staging. The dropdown will then offer to create the tag instantly. Select the tag and save the test. A single asset can carry multiple layered tags. For instance, you can combine environment with region on the same test. Once tags are in place, you can use them to scope what you see across the platform. Open a dashboard and click the global filter at the top of the page. Add a filter for environment, production, and every applicable widget on the dashboard refreshes to show only data tagged for production. You can also filter at the widget level if you only want to scope a single chart. In this video, we toured the tags workspace. We created tags, assigned tags to assets, both from the workspace and inline on a test, and used a tag to filter a dashboard. Thanks for watching.